Hey everybody, in today's video, we are going to guide you through the process in order to log in into your Facebook profile. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. So for that, what we can do is we can start by opening up the Facebook app. Open up the Facebook app for that. And once we open up the Facebook app, you can directly find the login page there with screen, and all you gotta do is use your credentials in order to log in. So for that, you can look out for the section where you need to enter up your email or phone number. In the first box, enter up your email or phone number of your Facebook ID. Once it is done, right below the section, right below that section, you need to look out for the password option. So in the section, just go over and enter up your password. Once it is done, all you gotta do is basically tap on login. And once you tap on login, you should be accessing your account. And that's it. You will be in your account. If you're having trouble logging in, you can look out for the forgot password option, which is this one right here. So look out for this forgotten password and tap on it. Once you tap on forgotten password, you just need to follow up your So here in this section, you need to enter up the mobile number, or you can search by your email address instead and follow the steps to recover your account. And once you do so, you should be able to access and sign in into your Facebook account on any of the devices. And that is it. It is this pretty quick and easy if you want to log in into your account. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also turn on the bell icon for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.